Hello, and welcome to Koopid. In this video, we will discuss creating new users and agents. We'll show you how to create a new user or agent. We will then discuss the different editing options and functionality and features of users and agents. And then we'll show the login experience. First, creating a new user or agent. Start by logging into your administrator portal and then select the Agents item on the left. Here you'll see a list of current users and agents along with basic information about them. Use the Add button to create a new one. Type in a username. Then enter an email address. This email address needs to be unique. And then also a unique phone number for the agent. You then enter in the initial password and confirm that password. The two other options, you can choose to send an activation email that will be a link for them to log in, and then also the option to force a password change on first login. Then select Add, and your new agent has been created. You can then change some of the options. Here you can indicate whether they're an agent or an administrator or both. You can enter in the skills for routing. You can also upload a user photo. Their status is indicated with the drop down here, Away. Save the changes, and now your agent's updated. You can then add an administrator user with the same process. Enter their name, a unique email address, a unique phone number, their initial password, confirm that password, and then here we'll force change. You can then edit the options. In this case, we want to make this an administrator, and we will give them some skills. And then save these changes. From this screen, you can also reduce the list and search for a specific agent or a group of agents. There is also an indicator on the status of the agent. For the login experience, logging into the client, enter in your email address, followed by the password. Here on first login, the user is prompted to change their password. And now they're logged in to the agent desktop. There's a drop-down for the user to log out and an indication of who's logged in. They can change their status for receiving new contacts. And then the gear icon on the left lets the agent change their password and also see their other attributes. To log out, select log out from the drop-down. There's also a feature, if you forget the password, to have an email sent to you to reset your password. Here we have the administrator on the left, where they'll show the logged in agents indicated in green, and then an agent on the right. As you can see, they're logged in and they're set to available. From the administrator, you can change to set them away if you need to set an agent away to no longer receive contacts. And as you see, it's immediately set to away. Thank you for taking the time for this video about new users and agents.